Hello, welcome to this update for Europe. So let's see what we have. We have this new storm coming to parts of the UK and France, especially the Netherlands and other areas on the next few days. And we still have some showers in Spain because of that front left over and some stuff in the Alps. And we'll have more stuff next week near southeastern Europe in some areas. So now we have already some stuff in France, some storm advisories, and rain because of the system coming, and then we also have some stuff around in southern Germany for some low temperatures, eastern France, some avalanche advisories in the Alps, and even eastern Europe have some snow and ice advisories in Serbia, and these are just for today. We might have some new stuff tomorrow, some fog advisories, mainly in the morning, parts of western Lithuania and Estonia, many parts of Estonia, and more stuff around there. So let's see what might happen. So there's that system there now, and then it will go leave more in the southern UK and northern France, like to many Wednesday, but this model already shows some stuff like tonight through Wednesday morning. Then this goes throughout Wednesday, shows more rain in Germany and the Netherlands later tomorrow afternoon during Wednesday, and then this goes there, shows more throughout Denmark, northern Germany, some more rain and gusty winds because those are some tight isobars. Then it goes there. The tail end of this does show some snow in southern Germany and northern Switzerland, parts of Austria because of this Thursday. Even some a shower or two of snow into Czechia and Austria, and then this goes there. And the rest of this, like the tail end of this, still throwing some snow near Bosnia and Croatia and even Romania, and the northern part of this showing more snow into Russia and Belarus and Lithuania early on Friday. Then early on Friday too shows some rain at Thursday afternoon in Ireland and to the UK. Friday morning shows more rain to the northern UK and some rain there. The season goes into Norway, some snow Friday afternoon shows there as well, and the snow kind of keeps going through southeastern Europe, like Bosnia, into northern Albania, some more rain, even some snow in Kosovo and Macedonia late Friday into Saturday there. And the GFS is keeping that system near Greece with more storms throughout Saturday, the 30th, and then more like snow in those areas of southeastern Europe too. And then yeah, and later the GFS does have some stuff near the UK and France and Spain on December 5th, and more fronts later. And even like December 7th or something, there's some more snow in Spain, more snow in the Alps, some rain in the Mediterranean parts of Spain, and has more crazy systems later. But that's too far out. Better not focus on that now. There's the European model for like the systems as well. So it does have the new storm there, the north southern UK and France. This will bring some more rain there in the UK, especially making a rainy day throughout Wednesday, but not all of Wednesday. Shows more in the morning, and then this goes into Netherlands, some more rain in Germany, especially in Denmark. Shows some snow southern Denmark, the European late Wednesday into Thursday. Then this goes throws some snow in the Alps, like in Austria and Switzerland, maybe southern Germany, northern Italy, and some in Belarus are starting some snow, and northern Slovakia and Czechia and some areas. So this goes also shows snow there throughout uh, Bosnia, to like Kosovo and southern Serbia on like Friday, and even to Macedonia Saturday. And the European has a big like rainstorm in Greece from Saturday to Sunday. It has a lot of heavy showers and storms there throughout Greece, maybe western Turkey. And then the European does take this towards Turkey the December 4th, and December 3rd has some storms and snow in Turkey and Cyprus there. And then yeah, and later after that December 3rd, the European has another system, southern UK and France, maybe some snow showers in the Alps after this and more showers in other areas. But December 5th, the European does have another front in the UK all the way down to Spain. So yeah, and even has more snow December 7th across the Alps and some other areas. So we'll have to monitor those trends as well. But yeah, be aware. There's the icon too, shows the storm there now in the UK and France that rain into to the Netherlands and like Germany and those areas. This goes shows more snow in the Alps Thursday, and then even a shower too of snow in like Slovakia, northern Czechia, even central eastern Czechia, especially Friday. The icon showing some more snow there. Into Romania, showing some snow, Belarus, Ukraine, and more rain, especially snow in Bosnia, even Montenegro, parts of Serbia and Kosovo and those areas, showing more rain in Albania. Like Saturday shows more storms for Greece, a little bit heavier rain, and yeah, it shows more fronts near the UK, like December, no, November 28th, Thursday, some rain in Ireland, very light, and northern Scotland on Friday shows more showers late Friday into Saturday, especially late Saturday into Sunday, some more showers in the UK. So be aware those areas. And now there's like the rain accumulation from this until Sunday. So does show some rain southern UK and France from this, but only like 7 to 19 millimeters. Shows around 22 millimeters, 25, 17 the southern UK, and some areas close to 35 in those areas. And if I just put this until Friday, shows 12 millimeters in Ireland in those areas, but until Sunday, it shows like some 74 millimeters in Ireland from some other systems later. Into Scotland shows some 55 millimeters. In other areas like some 90 millimeters in other areas. So beyond the Netherlands shows some rain too in Belgium from this system. More like into Germany, especially northern Germany, southern Denmark, those areas. So be aware. And further down does have some rain from Poland, a little bit lighter, and Lithuania and those areas. There might be some snow in the mix, the higher elevations, but some more lighter rain there. But the concerning part is like those storms Saturday and Sunday in parts of Greece. The European does have like 180 millimeters, central northern Greece close to 160, and like 170 into western Turkey is close to 80 90 millimeters. Even like some 100 millimeters in southwestern Turkey, some spots from those storms Saturday and Sunday. So be careful there. Southern Bulgaria, the Europeans like 126 millimeters too. Macedonia and more there. So be aware in those areas. Shows some more in Slovakia and even like Hungary, somewhere in the south and some areas. But uh, let's see, in Italy shows some southern Italy, some showers, a finger or two in northeastern Italy, and more into Spain and Portugal show like some 96 millimeters. This mainly later, until Friday show only 21 millimeters, until Sunday 94. So yeah, that's mainly later. But what part of this will be snow and what part will be rain? So in terms of snow, southeastern Europe might get most of the snow, shows all the way to 62 centimeters in northern Greece, central Greece a finger or two, but Macedonia shows all the way to 99 centimeters, and especially Bulgaria showing like 104 centimeters. So most of that accumulation showed before in Bulgaria, most of that will be snow, but there will be some rain too, so like some 33 millimeters, some 25, shows in Kosovo, some 62 millimeters, Montenegro, and like in Albania, especially eastern Albania, and most of central southern Serbia shows more snow, in Bosnia there in those areas. That shows snow in those mountains, those central Italy there, all the way to southern Italy. So be aware in the high mountains. And yeah, does show in the Alps from the snow Thursday, some 14 centimeters, so like some 16, 17 centimeters into Austria and those areas. But in southeastern Europe, it will be heavier. Poland and Slovakia shows more snow to western Ukraine, and Romania, central Romania shows some snow too, and those areas there shows northern Czechia, those spots of snow, some 20 centimeters, 14 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and into Germany there. So yeah, be aware. Central Ukraine to Belarus shows more snow, northernmost Moldova, and this goes into Russia there. shows more to northwestern Russia, Lithuania, most of central and eastern Belarus, and western Russia, those areas there, northwestern Russia. Even to Finland shows more snow, a thing or two in the south, but mainly the north shows more northwestern Russia, into Norway and Sweden some 74 centimeters, some spots 117 centimeters, more across northwestern Sweden there, northern Sweden. Even snow or two in southern Sweden shows in southern Norway in those mountains. And southern Denmark or like northern Germany shows some snow too. And some spots in UK, some very light spots, light snow there, so like 0.6, some spots of 2.5 centimeters in northern Scotland. So be aware. Spain, that doesn't really show anything, only a tiny spot or two, like 0.6 centimeters. So yeah, but if I put this until December 5th, alright, it shows more in the Pyrenees in some areas. So yeah, be aware. And let's see, if I put this just until Friday, shows less in like Norway and Sweden and Finland. And now if I put this until Sunday, alright, it shows more throughout Finland and Norway there. So it might be more on the weekend there. If I put this until Friday, it shows something from Croatia to Kosovo, but the heaviest of snow will be until Monday on the weekend there. So be aware. Now the GFS also has that heavier snow parts of southeastern Europe, especially some 78 centimeters in Macedonia, Kosovo, Serbia, some more, shows more in Croatia and Bosnia, and also show like in Albania, most of Albania, especially eastern Albania, and some in Romania, central Romania, in those mountains, and especially some areas that are close to 31 centimeters, shows more than Slovakia, Czechia, northern Czechia, and parts of Germany, southern Germany, and Austria to Switzerland there, some spots in northern Italy. So BR into, it doesn't show as much central Ukraine, but does show some as well, but shows more into Belarus and Russia there, central eastern Lithuania, and more into like northern central Norway there, southern Norway, some in Sweden. It also shows some bands in southern Finland and central northern Finland, and it has like some, the GFS that doesn't have anything in northern Germany, just the European has, and there's like, yeah, so be aware. The GFS that does have a figure two in the northern UK as well. So yeah, in Iceland, both models shows more snow. In Iceland, close to 57 centimeters, 66, 56. So yeah, be aware. The Europeans more in eastern Iceland, central Iceland, some more snow. If I put this just until Friday, show like some snow there, might fall already. But the accumulation till Monday, alright, it shows more there. So yeah, be aware in those areas. Now the rain accumulation from the GFS does have the storms in Greece too. Some spots close to 135 millimeters, all the way to like 165 millimeters from the storms in Greece to western Turkey, and more storms in those areas next Saturday. And some rain southeastern Italy too, some areas there, and more like in this throughout the southeast. And she has more like central Spain, a tiny bit of rain, and shows especially northern Spain and like 59 millimeters northern Portugal. If I put until Friday, shows barely anything, but until Saturday that front already comes into Spain. So be aware. Shows more in Norway, southern Norway there, and like some 100 millimeters in some areas, might be mixed with snow in the mountains, and shows more other parts of Norway. And it has the rain from this storm now into the southern UK, the Netherlands, and those areas. So be aware. But now another factor, the wind does show like some gusty winds with this storm now. It comes, the European does have some gusty winds to northwestern France, shows some spots there of like 66 kilometer per hour gusts, close to 70. Shows some other spots of the British Channel in some islands, close to 76 kilometer per hour gusts, and shows this goes there Wednesday. Might have some higher gusts southernmost UK near Brighton, Hastings, and other areas, close to 60 to 66 km per gust. And the European has this strengthening near the Netherlands, close to some 83 km per gust, even some 84 right on the coast. Belgium, some gustier conditions. Germany, some other spots of central Germany. This goes Wednesday to Thursday. The European does have all the way to like 110 km per gust. Northern Netherlands, more throughout northern Germany, more than 80 km per gust. So be aware of this possibility there. More gusty winds into central Germany on like Thursday. Did this very early in the morning, like still at midnight Thursday. So yeah, it shows more Denmark there. Shows this goes Thursday morning. Shows more there from Germany. Some 85 km per gusts, especially in the north there, and northern Netherlands still about like 8 to 9 a.m. or something. Still shows some gusty in central Germany. Some tiny spots of western Czechia, northern Czechia, so 50 to like 60 km per gusts. And shows there, yeah, this goes later Thursday, shows some higher gusts like Germany into Czechia, close to 79 and 80 km per gust, some 70 km per gust near Prague and not areas there. So this goes into Poland, some higher gusts too, and still near the seas in northern Germany and Sweden. This goes there and like decreases a little bit, but still now still shows some higher gusts. Friday, this goes there, shows Friday afternoon in Croatia, a little bit higher gusts maybe, and in the Adriatic Sea there, central Italy shows some higher gusts into southern Italy, some more spots there in northern Albania, showing some higher gusts too into Bosnia. So yeah, beware for Saturday. This keeps going, still shows strong winds in the Greek islands, Saturday night into Sunday, to western, northern, like northeastern Greece as well. And then this goes and still showing strong winds on like Sunday morning from Montenegro to like southern Croatia. So be careful. This goes there. It still shows some gusty winds by like December 3rd or something, but then this goes. So be aware of those areas. And now in Ireland, that shows some gusty winds near Ireland starting Thursday, southwestern Ireland because of that front. This goes there, shows some stronger gusts northern Ireland or like Thursday afternoon, some more stuff near the seas in Scotland. This goes there, shows some higher gusts northernmost Scotland and breezier because Ireland on Friday. And does show like later on Friday some higher gusts in the Lerwick Islands there. And this goes and yeah, shows in Iceland some higher gusts on Saturday, some ranges in the south, some mountainous areas there. And this goes, and this model does have some higher gusts southwestern UK, close to like 107 km per gust in Wales on like Sunday, December 1st, and some other areas. So be aware, but it's still very far out. But be aware there. And like already shows, the European shows a snow shower too in Sweden and Norway these days, and Thursday, Friday. But the real snow might come Friday with some more snow central Norway into Sweden and even parts of eastern Iceland there. So be aware of those areas. Now the wind gusts from the icon or a different model does show the system goes there. It also has higher gusts in the northern Netherlands, like Wednesday night into Thursday. The icon does have some spots in the western Netherlands, close to 102 km per gust into Germany. So be aware in the Netherlands of those gusts. This goes some higher gusts into Germany too. Northern Czechia, some spots of Switzerland. And then this Thursday, the front starts going into Ireland with some higher gusts there. Some spots close like some 77 to 80 km per gust. And yeah, so be aware. This goes there and more stuff later. So be careful with that rain and snow. It does show the lower temperatures already. Some parts of Spain too, like some with 0 degrees, 0 1 degree many areas. In the Pyrenees too, a little bit above average in the Mediterranean, some 10 degrees, but yeah, and colder in those areas. In the Alps already show, like in France, some -5, -9, some -4, -3, Central Austria into Germany. So yeah, be aware. Like Romania still shows cold throughout parts of Hungary, and Central Slovakia and southern Poland. It shows already in Greece. Some spots are like 0 degrees in Albania, Macedonia some zero, Montenegro, Bulgaria. So be aware. And the UK shows cold in the northern UK, central UK is -2, -5 in the north, -3, and colder in Ireland too. So this is still like Wednesday morning. This goes Wednesday afternoon a little bit warmer for like Spain, some 16, 17 degrees, and southwestern France, so like 17, 18 degrees, but still cold in the Alps in those areas. This goes at Thursday morning does show those colder temperatures in Spain, 0 degrees, 1 degree, 0 degrees. So be aware. The Pyrenees as well shows some areas of 0 degrees, and the Alps still from like France to Austria and northern Italy. And most of the UK Thursday morning is like 0, -1, other to -7 in Scotland, and Norway and Sweden very cold. Most of Norway is -6, -7. Southern Sweden a little bit warmer, but like 5 degrees compared to -11 further north. Shoks a -1, -5. Northern Finland other to -19, -18. Southern Finland a little bit warmer, but still coldish. Northwestern Russia colder. So be aware. In the afternoon, this kind of turns a little bit less cold, but still very cold even during the day there. Then Friday morning does show the cold coming down all the way to southern Sweden, most of Norway and Finland. It shows there into Germany, those colder temperatures, central Germany into Denmark and Netherlands and Belgium there. So be aware in France, in Austria, some lower temperatures there. Still in Spain, some spot like 1 degree, and shows like in Bosnia, Montenegro -2, -1, Romania and Slovakia, those areas. Like Russia still pretty cold there, -2, 0 degrees, some parts of Belarus, Latvia and Ukraine there. So be aware of those colder temperatures. This is still Friday morning. This goes Saturday morning. The European models cold temperatures most of Germany and France to the Alps, like -10 in the Alps, Marcos, Latvia, Lithuania, and southeastern Europe. Those like those negative temperatures. This goes the afternoon warms a little bit more, but Sunday morning still has that big area of cold temperatures from Central Europe to Northeastern Europe, and more in the southeast there. Shows the colder temperatures Central Italy, and yeah, and throughout Latvia, Lithuania, and in the east near Ukraine and Russia. Shows there this goes the next Monday pretty cold still across Eastern Europe, especially to like Estonia, Latvia, but colder in the Alps still, like northern Italy is -7, Switzerland and Austria, and yeah, Hungary shows more Ukraine, and yeah, northern UK and Norway still colder, but not as cold as before in Norway and Sweden and Finland, but still cold in the north there. This Monday, the other Tuesday already shows colder, like Norway, Sweden, those areas, and throughout most of the UK, so -3, -4, and northern Spain again shows colder there in the Pyrenees. So yeah, be aware those areas, and still pretty cold across Eastern Europe there early next week. So be aware in those areas, and let's see if there's something interesting. So the GFS model does have those above average temperatures near southwestern Europe and some below average, that's eastern the UK, into southern southeastern Europe. They does have some slightly below average, like the December 4th there. It goes another wave of above average, until shows a tiny cool down December 8th, some below average to the southwest, and then it goes there, maybe southeastern Europe on December 12th or something. But this moment, like December 8th, also Northern Europe shows some more below average temperatures. So be aware. The European has like those above average in some areas and below average in much of the Middle East and Turkey and those areas. And then it goes, shows some below average in the UK and some above average in southwestern Europe, and those like below average in November 30th for southeastern Europe, and later more across like northwestern Europe. So yeah, be aware those areas. And here's some other models like the average for the systems. So just does show the system the UK and France, some heavy rain, some spots of snow. This goes into like the Netherlands and Denmark and Germany. Goes there, does show more snow like in the Alps and like Slovakia, Czechia and some areas. And it's also showing snow in southeastern Europe, those heavier storms in Greece. So this model has a similar thing too. Does have precipitation till Saturday, more across southeastern Europe, some odd areas, and like what happened here, and does have near like Germany, the UK, and those areas because of the system. And the wind gusts does have some higher gusts like in the Netherlands, close to 100 km per gust, 90 into Germany, so be careful there. And maybe a little bit more breezier southeastern Europe later. So yeah, be aware. There's the Canadian model too, shows the system there from the UK into Germany and the Netherlands. And this goes and has the snow in southeastern Europe and the storms too. And more stuff later. This model even has like December 2nd, more rain and snow near like Spain and France and Italy and some other areas. But we'll watch that. Even has a bigger front on December 5th in the UK and some snow on the east. But we'll watch that. So be aware in those areas, and yeah, this main it, and check the warnings in the links in the description.